We are in Lake Tahoe and we're gonna go parasailing for my mom and my dad's 43rd anniversary. Have you ever been parasailing?
No, my first time after 43 years. I had to be married for 43 years to go parasailing.
How are you feeling right now?
Me? I feel so great. This is really a very special day, August 12th, for us. And it's wonderful to be a healthy family. You and Abtin and Sohila. And it's beautiful weather. Really, Tahoe is one of my favorite spots. Thank you
I
so
mean
much.
about the parasailing.
I'm scared.
Look, I think if there's one thing we've learned from this COVID, it's that, you know, our time on Earth is really limited, and so we're about to do something that's going to push our limits and allow us to see a beautiful scenery, and I couldn't be more excited to be spending it this afternoon with these two as we celebrate 43 years of highs and lows like any marriage, but mostly highs. And I think we're really going to symbolize that as we picked the highest option for how high we can go.
It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me, then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. I'd climb a mountain, I'd clear the sea.
Hey guys, we're up here 1,200 feet above the water, parasailing in Lake Tahoe, and this is amazing. It's a beautiful, beautiful view. You can see everything. You feel free. You feel like a bird. Feel like you could just fly, and you just want to be up here in peace and really, really enjoying this moment. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. I don't want to look down. Woo!
For you, I'd do anything,
Coming down hot. Coming down.
anything, my remedy. You
Coming in hot. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Woo!
You gave me a purpose, now I'm on my feet. I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody.
Great job. Parasailing was absolutely awesome. It's my first time doing it, and to be honest, it didn't even feel real. It felt almost like I was in virtual reality up there, and the water was way down and the boat was flying, and then the sun. It almost felt like it was a drone because I filmed shots like that with my drone. So to be there actually witnessing in person, it felt surreal. It felt virtual, almost didn't even feel real, but it was really amazing. It was a lot of fun. and it was so great, just energizing, and just to be so high up and to feel the area, to see from that angle was really just a beautiful, amazing experience. How was it?
This was fantastic experience. And thanks to Dustin and Optin, we were able to do that after so many years and loved it.
This was the first time I did this parasailing, and at first I was very intimidated. I didn't want to do it. I want to walk away from it. But then I thought about our New Zealand, and when Dustin says, if you're going to die, what the best place to die is right here. So I just went for it, and it was an absolutely amazing experience.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
guys.